You guys, I bought a new Louis Vuitton bag from Louis Vuitton. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back. And today we have a good old-fashioned unboxing. And I'm kind of shocked by this because I did purchase something from Louis Vuitton that's brand new from their spring collection that came out. Because of the prices of the bags and everything, I didn't think I'd be doing this for like anytime soon. I always buy secondhand, pre-loved. However, I would like it to note that this is one of the cheapest bags that you can get from the collection. And also, I know I don't need to justify, but I had sold 3 bags to help fund this. I know I don't need to justify it, but I just want you guys to always be spending money responsibly and know that I also do that too. I make videos anytime I want, so please remember to hit subscribe below, ring that bell, so we can become best friends here on the internet. Here is the box from Louis Vuitton. I have to say that this is the first time in a really long time that I actually purchased a bag from the website and not actually from a sales associate. So I don't know if that's gonna be a good thing or a bad thing. I actually, for the first time in a long time, like I could go on the website and I saw something that I liked, and I know it's always great to give it to a sales associate. However, I haven't really been talking to her much, so I don't really feel guilty. I don't know, I'm just telling you this. I bought from the website, which is weird. It's not something I normally do. Do you guys normally want to buy from the website, or do you get it from a sales associate? Discuss. All right, where is the little pool thing? Okay, let's open it. We've got the orange, and we've got this here. Well, that's cute, like that. I do think that this actually looks decently secure. They actually have braces for it. Like anytime I buy Louis Vuitton and get shipped to me, sometimes like it is not, sometimes I don't get ribbon. Like even from when I have my sales associate ship stuff to me, sometimes they don't give you ribbon and sometimes it just roll it around in the box. So it's nice seeing that this is secure. So that's a good sign. So we have, well, that's nice. In case I was giving this for a gift for someone, you have the little blank gift card. We have the cards like always with the receipt and the label to return if we need to. Oh, and that's just falling right off. So we won't do a dramatic ribbon untying. We will just take that off. This is a decent size box for the size bag it is. So it's nice. Get the magnetic box. And here it is, already peeking through. I definitely hate how they package the bags. Like there's no bubble wrap, there's nothing. And look, it's already like out of the dust bag. That's not what you want to see. Put you back in there. Put you back. Put you back. Pretend like you guys didn't see that. Oh, look at the bag. Wonder what it could be. Oh, what could it be? Ooh. There it is, guys. This is the Nano Noe bag, the newest version. And this is the new spring summer print. I cannot pronounce the name. It's right here. It's an azure print. I can't pronounce it, so just go ahead and read. And this bag, like I think you understand why I needed this. Let's get her all put together for you so you can see her. Oh, cute. Here she is, all beautiful and all dressed up for you. So you have the top handle right here, and then you have an adjustable strap that goes with it. So you can wear this top handle, crook of your arm, crossbody, or as a shoulder bag. And I'm also thinking about like putting a chain strap to it to jazz it up a little bit. But look at her, isn't she so cute? Like this is what I fell in love with right here. And they have this bag, I think in a pink color. No, not in the pink. They have it in this color, in like a pinker color and stuff like this. But I just think this is azure print. Wish I could pronounce it, but I can't. Just look, I'll have the link for you. But I love the fact that I could buy this online, guys. I love the fact that I didn't rush. I don't know if you guys have felt like this before, but the past when I've bought from like Louis Vuitton or like wanted to get something that was new, that was just being released, I felt rushed to make a decision because they would sell out so fast. Guys, I ordered this on the website. I saw it get released. I waited about a week and a half. Then I finally decided, you know, I really love this. I was looking at some other things. I thought, just get a wallet. Maybe it's just this printer in love with. But then I saw reviews just on this bag, type in the monogram, and I thought, no, I like the bag. I like the design of it. And this print is making my heart sing. And I didn't have to rush. Before, like, you know, you normally see them and my essay would say pre-order, and I've pre-ordered bags before and not thinking about it. And sometimes you do that and you panic, and then you're like, okay, well, it isn't as great as I thought it was. Like, I got the utility bag, that was one of those bags, and of course it's caused me all these problems because I ended up selling it, and then it got lost, check the playlist. But that bag I did kind of buy because I saw it come out from the new collection, and it was hard to get, and I just was like so excited that I got it. And it was just so nice and refreshing to think about something and then just be able to buy it online and not have to worry about any system or weirdness. I don't know if it means that like no one's buying Louis Vuitton anymore. I'm not quite sure what that means. Let me know if you've been experiencing like you're able to get things better now, or are you buying stuff online? It's been forever since I've done that because most of the time if I tried to buy online, it just wasn't available. Let me get you the close up here. So here it is right here. I just want you to have this moment with me. Now, is this bag worth the price I paid? Absolutely not. This bag cost me a little over $2,000. Yes, I can't even believe I'm saying this, but look how cute this is right here. I didn't even know it had that there. And then you have the Louis Vuitton up here. And let's go back here, you see this. Now this is a little stiff up here, but just know I did have the original Noé. Obviously it didn't have this or this strap, and it wasn't adjustable, but it does soften over time. Just this leather is kind of stiff, so you have to wait for it to soften. But here it is. Let's roll this up in the crook of the arm, top handle, on the shoulder, and cross body. And again, this is adjustable, so I might make it a little bit longer. I kind of like mine maybe just a little bit lower there. Just imagine me in a beautiful spring dress. I'm in this big poofy sweater thing because I'm literally looking at snow outside my window right now, but it's spring. I want my closet to be spring. Just imagine me in a nice, cute little spring dress or like a nice denim moment, and we put this pop here. You see the vision. I know you see the vision. And I also have the Speedy. So I might, let me know if you'd be interested in me doing like a comparison video between the Speedy and this, but I do believe that this fits a lot more than the Nano Speedy does. I think especially because of the shape of it being able to open up. Now, because it's an open top, like obviously you have to worry about, I guess, theft could be a thing. Also, your stuff might fall out. That could be a thing, but again, this will cinch, make it a little bit tighter. This will soften over time and it'll be able to close a little bit better. And with my other Nano, I never had to worry about anything falling out because, I had my phone in there, other stuff. Like maybe if I had a loose things in there, but I usually use wallet and things that zip up and pouches and stuff when I put in my bag. So I never have a problem with stuff like that falling out. And I see this is kind of pointing up. So again, all of this stuff will start to soften over time when you see like the stiffness of the bag. Now, I'm not sure if this is the treated. It might be treated. It does seem like it's a little tan. So if it's treated, I don't believe it patinas. I don't mind it if it wouldn't patina, but I absolutely love a good patina. So let me know. I can't tell the difference. Anyone here really good at telling? But let me know if you know for certain. And I absolutely love, look how cute the bottom is. Let me know what you think about this color. I wish I could pronounce the name. I'll have the link for you down below. But what do you think about this guy? Do you think it's worth the $2,000? This version also comes in like a leather version and monogram in the leather version. And I didn't think it looked as good in the leather version. I just really think that certain bags, it's nice to change the color and stuff like that, but there's certain style of bags that look so great in a certain color. Like it's just what it is. It's like when you put them, that shape with a certain colors, with a certain print, it just makes them pop. And then this is one of those. Let me know what you think down below. And have you been shopping on the Louis Vuitton website? Are you surprised that you can buy stuff online? Or do you prefer going through an essay? Discuss, because this wasn't bad. Like this was actually packaged really well. I've gotten stuff for my essay, like the last new unboxing I did, I think it was last spring, like it was just flung in there and it wasn't in this kind of container. I mean, it wasn't that bad buying from the online store. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.